Greetings from Gulf Shores, Alabama. My name is Ken Solstead, and today I'd like to show you an unsinkable legend, the classic 17 Montauk. I'd like to show you around a little bit. As you can see on this boat here, first of all, you notice it has a little bit more flare than it used to. Reverse chine. We have stainless steel rubber rail all the way around. You notice diamond non-skid all the way around. That's great for when you're running up to a dock and you want to step off, less slippage that way. Notice a recessed cleat right up here up front on the bow. Stepping back a little bit, we do have a galvanized trailer with the swing weight tongue. That comes in handy if you're limited on space in the garage or whatnot. Walking around a little bit. This particular boat here, you notice we have the low profile, or it's new styling, low profile handrails. Once again, just cleaner look, a little bit safer when you're stepping off at the dock. The Sunbrella Bimini top. This particular boat we did order with the teak. I'm sorry. Gives it a nice classic look. Coming around, also on this particular boat, we did order the port and starboard aft seating. Okay, these backrests here actually come out, and you see the rod holders right here. Got the teak swim platform here with the telescoping stainless steel ladder. Also on this particular boat, we did order the 115 Merc, the largest engine available on this particular boat. Plenty of top end speed and nice hole shot. We also, of course, have the stainless steel prop as well. Okay, we're in the boat now. I'm just going to walk you around a little bit. We'll start at the bow of the boat. Once again, you see the low profile grab rails, the non-skid going all the way around the front. This front compartment here is your anchor storage. Lift forward that way, and we have a nice insulated ice box. Your catch of the day. Okay, standing from the bow of the boat, we're now looking aft. You notice this in front of the center console. We do have cooler seating with some rod holders right there, and drink holders on either side. Those are always important. Walking aft again, the low profile grab rails and the teak. Inside the center console right here, you do have storage, and that's where your battery compartment is. Taking a quick look at the helm station here, you'll notice, of course, Boston Whaler and the stainless steel wheel. Plenty of room for whatever electronics you want to put in here. On the side of the console, we do have built-in storage or a little tackle box. And of course, grab rails on either side. As far as seating goes, we do have forward and aft seating. So this cushion right here goes forward and aft. Let me just point this out to you real quick. And actually, as I put that forward here, underneath we have, since this does have the ice. Okay, now at the back of the boat, facing forward. As you can see now, our helm seating is now facing aft. Underneath the seating here is, since this does have the fishing package, we do have a recirculating live well that's also blue, which is important in keeping your bait fish alive just a little bit longer. Thanks for checking out the 2019 17 Montauk with us today at MarineMax Gulf Shores. Office number 251-981-1113.